We basically specialise in doing small projects where there is no ready off-the-shelf solution to a particular problem. We can take the best available equipment and combine it in such a way to solve particular problems for customers very cost effectively.
We're in the chemistry department at the University of Liverpool. The idea for the project was to develop a new way of making powdered materials. From my previous role, I knew that flame pyrolysis might be a good way of doing this.
I was approached by Dr. Troy Manning, who was looking at acquiring some equipment to generate some powders. He basically asked me if we could come up with a simple and easy to use solution for what he was currently doing just with a glass blower's torch. The problem he was having with the current solution was A, safety. He had his torch in a retort stand and was trying to squirt stuff into it, and repeatability. Everything was done visually, and whilst he was getting results, recreating those results or even quantifying those results was very difficult.
So we wanted something that was ultimately flexible, so we could vary the gas flows in however we wanted to be able to do it, for to try different things in the research. Various ways of delivering the precursor chemicals. It had to be safe, obviously, and we wanted to be reproducible as well. So we had to know exactly what gas flows we were using, so it had to be precise and also it had to be reproducible.
We basically wanted to supply a turnkey solution. It would be both the hardware to actually create the flame and allow them to introduce the chemical precursors, as well as a control system that would both log the parameters of the experiment and be able to recreate that. So the system basically has a recipe handling option on it, where you can predefine the gas flow rates, and they can be a dynamic flow as well, so you can actually get it to ramp rather than just being a fixed flow rate.
The beauty of the equipment designed for us is that we can pre-mix the precursor solutions into the gas flows, and then everything is ignited all together in the flame. Or we can introduce a liquid precursor, and the mixing chamber in the equipment is heated, so we can volatilize volatile precursors as well. So like I say, it's very flexible in what we can do.
We have the ability to both supply a complete turnkey standalone, complete with SCADA systems, data logging, remote access, or we can integrate with an existing system. The SCADA package we use, called GRX, has the ability to emulate PLCs. So if you have a legacy SCADA system within a plant, for example, we can pretend to be a PLC.
It's performed exactly how we envisioned it would. We're very, very pleased with how it's operating. We're getting some good results out of it, yeah.